Today we're at Pacific Motors. Our buddy Darko called us. He owns a high-end junkyard. He deals in anything exotic. He acquired this C8 project that a guy bought, tore it down to literally nothing to see if he could do a kit car out of it. And he called us. We're gonna have a barbecue and see if we can put this thing back together and do some burnouts.
Let's get a driver's seat in and then we should be good.
Ever seen a C8 without a body do a burnout?
Well, now.
Will now.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, we all jumped in because we had a chance to put together a brand new C8 that was literally down to every piece. So if you want to get to know that car, this is the way to do it. You're landed here on my side.
All right, so tighten those all the way.
Darko, you have 3 mismatched nuts on this now.
I can get to those later.
Feels good to see one in pieces already, though. Doesn't it?
See this hardware torn apart is an opportunity. It's dope.
That's neat, huh?
Yeah. All right, got it.
Yeah, there it is. You like that?
Oh,
You know, it's plastic. There's 2 kinds. Broken, almost broke.
like, although it would be fun just to have a gang of freaking go-karts around the city.
If you guys were gonna get one, I'd give one 2.
Cradle bolts are snug.
Oh yeah. This one's gonna be sweet, boys. Go right in.
The things that go out. What this used to be is when your tub's here, this is actually bolted to the tub. And then through here, you have the ram air coming in from the fenders, on the rear fenders.
You gotta kind of lift this line up and get it clear. When Darko hit me up yesterday, he said we were gonna put this car back together enough to get it running and do a burnout. And the car is back together enough, it is running. We're about to do a burnout.
Okay guys, it's over. Is it warm? Yeah. Oh. Are you laughing at me? Or?
Grilled. We gotta build a C8 from scratch, see it run, let Darko do some burnouts. Can't think of a better way to spend a Saturday.
Awesome. I mean, 6 hours, it was a frame, a shell, and now we got it running, doing burnouts.